Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a Follow a Sketch February sketch for day number 16. Sorry, totally had a blank there for a moment. Today's layout it calls for 3 photos, and I actually had a few that I wanted to use from Tinian going to the dentist. He had like 4 teeth pulled all in one day, if I'm remembering correctly. And this was back in, 2018. So this was a while ago, but I found these photos in my stash, and so I decided to use them. Obviously, I walked away from my camera and I didn't realize that I had done that. So today I am using my Scrapbooking store February kit. It is the collection, oh goodness, what is it called? It's by Echo Park, and let me see if I can find it. It is called, it's right here, Telling Our Story. So it's by Echo Park, and it is a 2024 collection copyright date. So this was a collection from last year, which I'm always super excited when my scrapbooking kit club does a more recent collection. Like, I love the older collections too, but it's super fun when an affordable kit club does a recent collection within the last year. So if you didn't know, I am a design team member for the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club. Make sure that you use my link below if you want to subscribe to their kit club, or even if you just really love the kit and the layout that I'm making this month. You can just go and buy 1 month's kit. I believe we still have them in the store, so I will make sure to make my link very visible. With you going and using my link, that does help me make a little extra money so that I can keep making these free videos for you, which I absolutely love being a YouTuber. Okay, so back to the layout. So now here you can see I am cutting up my photos. So I have 2 3x4s, and then that smaller photo that was a 3x4 that I just cut down, that was an x-ray of Tinian's teeth. So he got his 2 front teeth pulled, as well as the 2 next to his front teeth, which I think those are called the canines, I think. I could be totally wrong because I am not a dentist, so I really have no idea what I'm talking about, but it's fine. I'm a mom, right? I can make stuff up, and it's true. Anyway, sorry. I had a little bit of wine tonight, so I might be feeling it. Haven't ate much today. It's okay. I hope you enjoy this process video. It might be a little bit more silly than normal. But anyway, so here I am cutting down a couple of 3x4s. I was thinking I would use these for the journaling next to Tinian's face. So Mark actually had taken Tinian to this appointment. I'm not sure if I had to work or what. So Mark ended up taking Tinian to the dentist to get this done, and then I saw Tinian later in the day after it got done, and he showed me his teeth. Now, for some reason, I don't have a picture of all the teeth that they pulled, which is weird because I remember like the little container that they gave him to put the teeth in to bring home and show me. Like, it was a tooth, a little plastic tooth itself, and it was the coolest thing. So I don't know why I don't have a photo of that printed out, because that would have been super cool. But alas, I don't. I was just very thankful that Mark had gotten to a place where he knew I would kill him. Not really, but I would be very frustrated if he didn't take photos. So he took all of these photos. I taught him very well. And I actually have a lot of photos that Mark took that I am very thankful for. That is one thing that he was good at, was, you know, recognizing that I wasn't there for every single event or whatever in our family. And so it was nice that he would take photos. It's one thing he did really great at. So there's a positive thought, right? Anyway, let's move on. So here you can see I'm just gluing all of these things down. So I did decide to use the 4x6 from the 4x6 element paper. And that one, I just put one 3x4 at the top. Then the bottom one, you can see here, I am gluing a couple of stickers to, and the photo, and then a journaling spot. And then I also had a little extra piece from another layout that I made earlier this month. It was actually the first layout that I made for the Follow a Sketch challenge, and I will link below to that one, as well as the Follow a Sketch playlist. There are a ton of people playing along this month, and I'm just so amazed at how supportive everybody is in this community of ours. So here you can see I am just pulling out some of the different embellishments from the kit. And there was the chipboard, and then also the ephemera pack that was in this kit as well. That is part of the upgrade pack. So if that's something you're interested in, it is an additional cost, but really I think it's only like an additional $8 or $9, which is not bad for a kit club. This is the most affordable kit club I have ever been a part of. And yes, I am saying that as a design team member, and I don't actually pay for my kits, but honestly, this kit club is so affordable. If I had the money where I could compare this kit club to other kit clubs, I totally would for you guys. But the total cost, I think, comes out to like maybe $30 to $33. It kind of just depends on how many months you sign up for. So if you sign up for a full year, you are going to get a better dollar amount per month. I think for a full year, it costs $25 to $30. If you do 6 months, I think it might cost like $35. And like I said, I could be totally wrong about the pricing, so please don't shoot me. I am just trying to be helpful and show you guys that there are affordable kit clubs out there. Like, I am someone that I am living paycheck to paycheck, and yes, I get this kit for free, but if I didn't get this kit for free, I totally would make the effort to pay for it because it's that good of a kit club. So here you can see I'm just adding another element from the upgrade kit. This says memories, and I was thinking, because from the sketch it did have the journaling going like around all of the photos, I decided to just put this there kind of in the same vein, but I didn't end up doing journaling the way the sketch suggested. Anyway, I have been very, very talkative today, and we are all done with this layout. So you can see the title to the left of all the photos there, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye!